is defense for the upward and side stab. These are your most common stabs. This is how most people, this is like prison stabbings, different stabbings like that, okay? So this is an interesting mechanical movement. When he's coming up or to the side, doesn't matter. Okay, I have to take, this is the only time you should break posture. Normally we don't break posture on moves, but this is getting my core, my body out of the way. Now, I like to throw my arm here because this is such a powerful stab. People can put power into this. I like to keep my arm here instead of bursting into his eyes, that the attack, block and attack at the same time. I'm actually going towards here, okay? So now here, I wrap, and I keep my arm straight up. Here, okay? I'm getting my body back, my posture is broken. Blade to blade. Blade on his wrist, blade on his upper arm. Now I wrap. I keep this straight up. If I'm here, because I'm going to start kneeing here, he can slip. Okay, we'll go again. Here. I wrap. This is tight. Now I'm not just going to sit here. This is immediate. I'm kneeing to the groin, kicking to the groin, and from here, we're going to do the takedown. I can grab his shirt. I can grab the back of his arm, but this keeps the blade. This also protects my face. Here, look. See? Now here, I'm taken down, going against his elbow. All right? Now from here, same thing, I'm attacking the whole time. I can bring the blade away, cut, get up to my feet. Okay, a different angle so you can see the wrap. Here, okay, blade and blade. And now I wrap, okay, and this is keeping this here. And then from here, the position is, this is straight against the elbow and bringing my opponent down.